Yeah, I'm Grace here. I'm 63 this year.
I'm Marina, 64 this year. And 100, I'm 75 this year.
Wow. Because we're having some hip and knee problem. So I heard about this. It's good for our leg. Spring we come together and just enjoy the classes together.
We want to build up more like the body and most important to heal pains.
Walk faster and less pain, gradually hope and full recovery.
She's very good and she's very patient. Yeah.
She's good and patient.
She understands our needs.
So yeah, very friendly.
Very friendly,
Very patient.
very patient, very caring too.
Yes, it's very good. The environment here is very good. Yeah.
It's a wonderful experience, especially the water is heated.
We like the warm pool. I mean, it's good for them to come for these classes, learn something. In the beginning, I was very unsure because I can't swim. So I was very afraid. But when I came here, very secure.
I think she set an example to them by just looking at me and how I feel dressed.